This Gigastone Game TURBO 32GB kit provides 4 matched 8GB modules, giving gaming desktops plenty of headroom for modern titles and multitasking. Running at double data rate for 3200 MHz with tight latency, it delivers noticeably snappy game loading and smooth overall system responsiveness. The modules use a standard, unbuffered dual inline memory module design with 288 pins and non-error correcting configuration, making installation straightforward in most current motherboards. Support for both Intel Extreme Memory Profile 2.0 and AMD Ryzen platforms makes overclocking and tuning much easier for users who like to squeeze extra performance from their systems. The integrated multi-zone lighting offers individually controlled light-emitting diodes, so the white heat spreaders can show off coordinated lighting effects in a windowed case. Build quality feels solid, and in extended gaming sessions, the memory remains stable and reliable, which is exactly what you want from a performance-oriented upgrade.